to my channel. As you can see, my hair is a hot mess. That's okay though, we're gonna fix it. So I was sent a giveaway that I had won by Curl Leah. I will put her information below in the description. She took part with Miche Beauty, and they sent me a whole line of their natural products. I'm not sure if it's like, you know, they have multiple different lines, because each one of these has something different on here. But anywho, so I have, of course, you know, colored my hair. My hair has been straight now for about a week and a half. Last time I cleansed and washed my hair, which is not co-wash, was about 3 weeks ago. I have been only co-washing since I had dyed it. So I am going to be cleansing my hair with the Cleanse, Moisturizing, and Cleansing Sulfate-Free shampoo that they sent. And this is gently, it removes product buildup without stripping hair of the natural oils. It has no silicones, drying oils, sulfates, paraben, mineral oils, synthetic colors, and it's not animal tested. So what this claims to do is, of course, it's sulfate free. And let's see. The Nourishing pH Balance Shampoo deeply penetrates to repair, protect, and restore damaged cuticles, which is exactly what I need. It's packed with botanical extract such as hibiscus and ginseng. It stimulates the hair and the scalp for color-treated and damaged hair. Ooh, look at God, won't he do it? So I will be cleansing with this. I also will be going in with, they sent me 2 different deep conditioners. One is a protein base, one is a moisturizing deep conditioner base. So I'm gonna be using the deep conditioner. It's the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner made with raw honey and babassu oil. And let's see, what this does is it's super moisturizing deep conditioner. It's made for all hair types. Makes hair more softer and manageable and healthier, which enables hair to retain length and grow. It has ingredients such as olive oil, babassu oil to help nourish and heal hair in need of repair. I'll be using this one, but I also want to touch bases on the Strengthened Protein Deep Conditioner made with baobab protein and mango butter. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a protein and moisture balanced deep conditioner for all hair types, especially fragile, damaged, color treated hair. Strengthened deep conditioner increases hair strength and helps reduce breakage. It nourishes and revitalizes the hair for better manageability, repairing hair damage, and improves elasticity. It's hydrolyzed with baobab protein, one of the most powerful hair repair vegetable proteins. So that's that. The only reason why I'm not using the protein one is because I just recently did a protein treatment on my hair. So I just don't want to get protein overload. So I will try this one next time. But for right now, I'm just going to do the moisturizing deep conditioner. And for the styling, I am going to be using their Lavish Leave-In Conditioner made with aloe vera and avocado oil. What's in this cute little pump bottle. And this is moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner. It infuses dry hair with moisture ingredients, leaving hair soft and replenished. It's great for detangler. It helps stubborn knots. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this. Aloe vera is like amazing on my hair. And then also I'm going to be doing a twist out with the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter made with Kapuaku butter and mango butter. Y'all and these names, Lord, y'all got it. This is how it looks. And this says it's an extra hydrating butter that replenishes and revitalizes dry, thirsty hair. This butter can also be used as a styler. So you can use it as a styler, achieved to define and moisturize braids and twist outs, which is really, really good. So it says section hair and apply evenly to clean, damp hair. Style as desired. May also be used on dry hair. For the maximum moisture and definition, layer on top of the lavish leave-in conditioner for braid and twist outs. Lightly spritz hair with the water. Apply evenly on section hair. Okay, let dry before completely unraveling. And so it seems that this works good with the braid outs and twist outs. This smells amazing. This smells so good. So this video will be split into two. So this will be a part one. I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, which I also will be using my cap to deep condition. I won't be sitting on a hair dryer. I just will be putting this in for 2 minutes in the microwave. And then after I rinse everything out, I'll show you how my hair looks, and then we'll go into part two, which will be the styling of the video. Now, part two will take place on most likely day 2. I don't know if I'll get to my hair tonight. I will try when it comes to styling. I would love to go ahead and just have my twist out done tonight though. So we will see. Depends on my kids. But without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I am all reverted back to curly. The shampoo was amazing. It smelled amazing. I still have my struggle pieces that I've had before straightening my hair. But my hair reverted back really, really good. Definition looks great. My hair does not feel hard at all. It feels moisturized. So now we are going to be using the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and then we're gonna be leaving that on for 30 minutes with heat applied. And so I usually part my hair in 4 sections, but as you can see today, I'm trying to alleviate some time because I have to go get my daughter. So we're just gonna try to minimize these sections. Smells amazing. You apply the deep conditioner starting from ends, working your way up to the root. Have me my new tangle teaser I had got over the break for Black Friday. I don't think it was on Black Friday sale, but it cost me only like $2. It was on somebody's sale, probably. And just to let you know, I did not detangle my hair in the shower, which is why, as you can see, my detangling process is a little rough right now. I'm going through and finger detangling while I'm using this tangle teaser. But I did not have time to detangle in the shower. This stuff smells so good. Okay, as you can see, I am all done with the deep conditioner. I am going to be putting my cap on my head, and this will be sitting for 30 minutes with heat applied. I'll be back. Okay, so I have rinsed out the deep conditioner. Don't judge me, I know I have a towel on my head, but I do not have a microfiber towel, and I do not have an old shirt clean to use for my hair. So this towel gonna have to do. Mind your business. The deep conditioner, I just rinsed it out over the sink. I did not get back in the shower. But honey, that deep conditioner, let me tell y'all. Oh my goodness. It came through. It came so through. It was so softening. Even rinsing it out, and now that I'm feeling my hair now, my hair feels soft. It feels hydrated. It smells be more manageable. It smelled amazing. The ingredients are amazing. I definitely recommend it. So you guys should definitely go and get that. I will include their link to their website below. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the part 2. Bye.